How to delete your Apple ID account permanently. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can delete our Apple ID account permanently. So without any further ado and without any delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to delete your Apple ID account permanently, it is fairly simple to do so. Just follow my steps. Open your browser, like any browser, and go to privacy.apple.com. I repeat, privacy.apple.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. When you're here and making sure, of course, you are signed into your Apple account, you'll find this option that says manage your data. From there, you have to scroll all the way to the last option and you'll see this option called delete your account. Just click on this blue link that says request to delete your account and then just click on it. When you click on request to delete your account, on the next page you'll find a whole lots of terms and whatever else it is that you might want to see over here, right? So whatever else is going to get deleted, whether you want to make a backup, sign out of all your devices and active sessions, select the reason as to why you want to delete it, and then what you have to make sure is that after you delete it, there is no going back. You cannot recover your account. So if it is deactivation you're looking for, you can just deactivate it. But if it is a permanent deletion because you are 100% sure that you don't no longer need your Apple ID account, you select that, you click on the continue button, verify a couple of steps like your password, and your Apple ID will be successfully deleted. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.